Hello everyone! Want your photos and videos to last for centuries? Let's talk about M-Disc. M-Disc looks just like a regular DVD, but it's made from a rock-like material that resists decay, ensuring your data can last up to 1,000 years. These writers look just like regular DVD or Blu-ray writers. I am not promoting this particular writer, this is just an example. This is how the discs look like. Just make sure they are marked as M-Disc and BDXL when you buy them. They have the same size and aspect as regular DVDs or Blu-rays. For long-term preservation, M-Disc is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips.